Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you how can you fix sleep tracking not working on your Samsung Galaxy Fit3. If your sleep tracking isn't working on your Samsung Galaxy Fit3, you could try updating the device to the latest firmware. So here's how you could do it. So now other thing what you could also do is you could also try restart your device. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary software hiccups as well. Other thing you could also do is reset the Fit3. If restarting doesn't work, you could consider a factory reset. This will erase all the data on the device, including custom settings. Also, you want to make sure to back up any important information before doing this. That should be able to help you out as well. The other thing what you will also do is sometimes the Fit3 plugin on your phone can cause issue. You could try uninstalling, clearing cache and data, and then reinstalling the plugins as well. That should be able to help you out. Other than that, you could also open up your device or your mobile device and see whether that has an issue or not. You could go ahead and check your wearable applications or maybe the custom app and see whether that has an issue or not. If the issue still persists on, what next you could do is you could also try turning off Bluetooth overnight. Some users have found that turning off Bluetooth on the Fit3 overnight can help with sleep tracking accurately. This can be able to help you out, so I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.